Yeah, Kafountine is pretty nice. It's a very nice town with a lot of trees. You can see behind me, a lot of foreigners come here. What's up, everybody? What's the time? It's 3 minutes to 5 p.m. local time, and I want to welcome you back to the channel. And yesterday, as we got to Kafountine, it was a very wonderful time. My friend and his family, they've been very, very kind and gracious, taking good care of me. And this afternoon, we are heading out. He's going to show me around the place and probably get a chance to go to the beach, but we are not going to ride. We're just going to take a stroll, and for some good reasons he's not going to be appearing in any of our videos, but I'm going to be with him through the time that I stay here, and he will show me around town, and I'll get the opportunity to see some of the wonderful. According to him, this place is quite a tourist community, so I'm going to step out with him. I've spent some good time trying to work on some of the videos, some of the episodes already. I've had a good rest. I'll keep you posted as long as I stay in this part of Senegal. Yesterday I was in the Guinea-Bissau shirt, but today I've switched to Senegal because I am in Senegal, one of my homes in West Africa. Any country I get to on the continent becomes my home because I fly the flag and I wear the shirt. I eat the food and I interact with the people. I get the place to sleep and I feel comfortable. So always there are good things to get from our people, to enjoy the culture, enjoy the people as we fellowship together. So come along with us and I'll show you a few things. I'll try and film a bit so that you can see what we've got out there. Yeah, Kafountine is pretty nice. It's a very nice town with a lot of trees. You can see behind me so many trees. It's green but also very sandy. So we are heading to the beach right now, and we'll see what we got at the beach. I love it. It's not too sunny today. It's quite cold, and maybe because it is closer to the beach, it's quite a cooler place, and a lot of cashew trees. So all the way from Guinea-Bissau through to Senegal, we'll see a lot of cashew trees around, palm trees. So the place is very, very green. According to my friend, a lot of foreigners come here, and that happens especially in December during the Christmas time. A lot of foreigners come here from the West and some other parts of the world to have some good time in this place. So it's a beautiful place. I love it, and I'm glad I could pass by. Kafountine is very nice. I really, really like it here. I'm wearing this turtleneck because it's always under my riding jacket. I thought we were actually going to ride, but my friend said no, we should walk. So the turtleneck got stuck on me, which is actually good already because the sun has set and it's getting colder, especially coming to the shore. so it's still good. Maybe I might get it removed. But then here we are at the shore. There are some fishing canoes docked on the sea. Oh, nice. Beautiful. It's like a fishing harbour with so many fishing boats. From here, there is just, you can see Gambia from here. Except first, there used to be a dry land where people can just walk from here to the Gambia, but the sea washed that particular piece of dry land away. So now people can no longer walk along the shore to get to the Gambia. Yeah, from the horizon, you can see Gambia, but I don't think this camera can focus that for you to see, but I can see it far away from here. It was exciting at the beginning. Everything was going fine. We had a good time at the beach until we realized that we lost my drone gimbal cover, the GPS IMU unit that I changed in the drone, the gimbal cable that I changed, and a very special document that I kept, a small envelope in the drone case. Apparently, as we flew the drone and we were walking around, we did not close the drone case and these few items fell off. The IMU and GPS unit and the gimbal cable, they were already broken. That didn't really bother me a lot. But the two things that bothered me that we looked around, we couldn't find were the gimbal case and then that special document that I kept inside the case. And so it sort of discouraged us a bit. We didn't really enjoy our time at the beach at the latter part of it. But my friend and I were still fine. We found the manual, but we could not find the document with the rest of the items. We did all we could research around. It's a very spacious place, a lot of people around. So you don't expect to find things easily. And that reminded me of Romans chapter 8, verse 28. And we know that God causes everything to work together for the good of those who love God and are called according to his purpose for them. And so all things work together for the good of those who love the Lord and are called according to his purpose. We are fine. Whether I find the document or not, tomorrow will bring another good joy of the Lord. So thank you, and I'll keep you posted even as I still continue to stay in Kafountine. Bye for now. Peace.